Class 7 Mathematics. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today your exercise 16.2, that is the percentage. Let us start. So that is the example 3. A shopkeeper purchased a radio for rupees 300, that is the CP. Cost price is equal to 300 rupees, and the sold it for 360, that is the selling price, that is 360. That means selling price is more, so that is the profit. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So selling price is 360 and the cost price, that is the 300, so it becomes 60. Now profit percent. Profit percent is equal to profit upon CP into 100. So profit is 60 and CP is 300 and into 100. Now let us do 0 will cancel to this 0, 0 will this 0, and 6 2 ja, that is the 20%. Now come to the 4 second. 4 second shopkeeper, and the second shopkeeper purchase a radio for rupees 200, that is the CP is equal to 200 rupees, and the sold it the for 260, and the SP is given as 260 rupees. Which shopkeeper earned more? Now find the profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. SP is 260 minus CP is 200, so that is the 60 rupees. 60 rupees. Now come to the percent profit or profit percent. Profit percent is equal to profit upon CP into 100. So profit is 60 and CP is 200 and here is 100. Now come to the percent. Now 0 cancel with this 0, and here is 0 cancel to this 0, and 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. So 30%. The question is that who earned more profit? The second shopkeeper more earned. So you can see here it is 20% and it is 30%. So you can say here second shopkeeper earned more profit. So that is your answer. Now come to the example 4. You can see here example 4. Sunita purchased a calculator for rupees 350 and sold it the Sadhana for rupees 420. Now CP is equal to rupees 350 and the SP is given as rupees 420. Now what her percentage gain? Now gain is equal to SP minus CP. SP is 420 minus 350. So 0 minus 0, that is 0, and 12 minus 5, that is 7, and 3 minus 3, that is 0, 70 rupees. So that is the gain. Now find the gain percent. You can write here gain percent or percent gain is equal to gain upon CP into 100. Gain is given as, that is the 70, and CP is 350 and into 100. So 0 will be cancelled out, and 35 2 ja 70. So it becomes 2 into 10, and that is the 20%, and that one is your answer. Now come to the example 5. A businessman purchased a quintal of wheat, rupees 70, that is the CP. CP is equal to 700 rupees. Now, but water made wet wheat, so he had sell it rupees 6 rupees per kg. So 1 quintal is equal to 100 of kg. Now here is the CP. CP is here SP. SP is equal to rupees 6 per kg. So rupees 6 into 100, 4 quintal per quintal. Now rupees, it is 600. So SP is given here. So SP is the less. So it is the loss. So you can write here loss. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. CP minus SP. CP is 700 and SP is 600. So loss is 100 rupees. So now loss percent. Loss percent. Loss percent is equal to loss upon CP into 100. Loss is given as 100, CP is 700 and here is 100. So 0 will be cancelled to double 0. So we get 100 upon 7. So you can divide this one. 100 divided by 7. So 7 1 just 7, 3, 0, 7 4 just 28 and here is 2. So you can write here 14 and 2 by 7%. So that one is your answer. Now come to the second, that is the example 6. A machine purchased a motorcycle. A mechanic purchased a motorcycle of rupees, this one, that is the CP. CP is rupees 5,000. He spent 1,000 rupees on the repairing. Now it is the sell for rupees 7,000. So first of it is the spent money. Spent is the rupees 1,000. So total CP. Total it is CP is equal to 5,000 and plus 1,000. That becomes 6,000 rupees. Now SP is given. SP is given, that is the 7,000. So gain is equal to SP minus CP. SP is what? That is the 7,000 and CP is total CP. So that is the 6,000. So we get 1,000. Yes, now gain percent. Gain percent is equal to gain upon CP into 100. Now gain is given as 1,000 and CP is 5,000. Not 5,000, it is 6,000. And into 100. Now double 0 will be cancelled out. So we get here 2 3 jam and here is 2 5 jam 50. So that is 50 upon 3. And you can say it is, and you can divide 50 by 3. So 3 1 ja 3, 2 here, 3 6 ja 18, so 2. So that one is the 16 and 2 by 3%. So that will be your answer. Now come to the example 7. A farmer sells 15 quintal of wheat at the rate of 560 per quintal. If he spent rupees 490 per quintal of the seeds, water, electricity, fertilizer, labor, etc., then calculate the profit percentage.